So very good evening all. Can somebody confirm me that my screen is visible and I am audible? Please unmute yourself and just confirm me, or maybe in the chat window you can put
Yes, sir, all visible.
all visible and voice is also clear, right?
Absolutely.
Great, great. So how's the Josh? Let's get started. Basically, how's the Josh overall? What are you finding and what are your स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक क्वेरीज बिकॉज हम लोग ये हर वीक करते थे तो काफी टाइम से नहीं हुआ था 2 वीक से so I thought this is the best time to share the insights even though I've been regularly sharing my observations and views either on Twitter or on YouTube channel, so hopefully I think you might be. So how's the Josh in a one liner?
ऑल ग्रेट सर, स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक हो तो सब चीज चंगा है।
अच्छा अच्छा
बस
अच्छा।
कभी कभी वो ट्रिगर दबाने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है।
नहीं, आई थिंक वी हैव बीन डिस्कसिंग इट, सो आज आप लोग की पूरी क्वेरीज के लिए वी हैव कम हियर, सो दीज आर द टाइम्स एक्चुअली वी शुड बी वेरी मच कॉशियस अबाउट। तो चार्ट्स देखते हैं। चार्ट्स तो बेसिकली मतलब वीकली जो मैं हेड एनालिसिस पोस्ट करूंगा आपको परसों संडे को, आई विल कवर ऑल दोस पिक्चर ऑफ व्हाट इज मार्केट ऑफरिंग. So let's get started, maybe for another 30 minutes we will continue the session with your stock specific queries. So maybe you can either unmute yourself and ask your query, and or you may put it into the chat box and I will take it from there. So let's get started. Any one of you can unmute and please go at one at a time.
Yeah, good evening, Bharatji.
Good evening, Gautam ji.
Regarding Tata Steel.
See, Tata Steel का ये है सर कि metals ने जो है actually I have been posting my views regularly. So जो आज के क्लोजिंग के बेसिस पे लग रहा है कि it is a topping out structure on a nifty metal. So the follow price action needs to be seen in the next week. So उसके बेसिस के ऊपर देख सकते हैं, बट 6075 जो कि मैंने आज ट्विटर पे ड्यूरिंग द लाइव मार्केट्स पे पोस्ट किया था सीएनएक्स मेटल के लिए व्यू, उसके नीचे का क्लोज आया है. सो दैट इन इटसेल्फ इज नॉट गुड, बट
maybe अब जिस हिसाब से मार्केट चल रही है उस हिसाब से मेरे को लगता है प्रॉफिट बुकिंग करनी चाहिए.
see overall I
मार्केट
have
तो
been
काफी ज्यादा.
reiterating since past few weeks now. I think everything is documented either on Twitter or maybe on YouTube.
या
बट द थिंग इज कि मार्केट्स वो इंडिकेशन बहुत पहले से दे रहे थे कि मतलब ये जो सस्टेन होने वाली चीज है वो नहीं दिख रही थी. एंड व्हाट आई फील पर्सनली एंड आई हैव बीन रीइटरेटिंग विद ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स ऑन ट्विटर और यूट्यूब एंड कि मतलब चार्ट्स पहले बताते हैं, खबरें बाद में आती है, न्यूज फॉलो. किसी को नहीं पता था पहले जब हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था कि इट इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक यूक्रेन और वॉर, बट बेसिकली सो टाटा स्टील के लिए इन स्पेसिफिक व्हाट आई विल से इज, अगर मैं वीकली के बजाय भी मंथली से शुरू करूंगा बिकॉज अगेन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ वॉलेटिलिटी एंड नॉइज, सो आई डोंट वांट टू टेक अ चांस टू शेयर व्हाटएवर ऑब्जर्वेशन आई डू हैव ऑन चार्ट्स. सो मंथली पे देखेंगे तो सी इट हैज बीन फेसिंग अ स्ट्रांग एंड स्टिफ रेजिस्टेंस फॉर पास्ट 3 to 4 months नियर अबाउट 1270. तो आज का जो क्लोज है वो 1277 पे हुआ है. अगर 1270 से नीचे अगर ये इस रेंज में फिर से अंदर आ जाता है, रेक्टेंगल बोलिए आप इसे, जो भी कंसोलिडेशन का एक फेज बोलिए, so this is your consolidation zone, which it has been, since past 3 months continuously. एंड अगर ये क्रॉस होता भी है तो इमीडिएटली हमारे को सबसे पहले जो है ये वाला क्लोज चाहिए. मंथली है तो मतलब मैं वीकली बेसिस के ऊपर प्रेफर करूंगा 1375 के ऊपर, बिकॉज ये वो कैंडल है बेरिश इंगल्फिंग जिसने की मतलब पिछले 2 महीने की जो ऑल टाइम हाई के करीब गए थे हम लोग, उन सब कैंडल्स को जो है ब्रीच करके एक लोअर लो बनाया था ऑन अ हायर टाइम फ्रेम. सो आई वांट कि अगर अगर इन केस अगर मेटल्स हैव टू सस्टेन आल्सो दिस बुलिशनेस, तो 1375 के ऊपर का जो क्लोज है दैट विल गिव मी सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड कन्वीनियंस. बट ओवरऑल मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर जो है उसके बेसिस पे लगता है. और let me show you CNX metal also because I have posted the chart on Twitter during the live market. Maybe I will show what is happening here. तो अगर आप देखेंगे तो एग्जैक्टली जो चीज है, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे देखेंगे तो एग्जैक्टली वहीं से रिवर्सल देखने को मिल रहा है। लग रहा था कि इस बार ब्रेकआउट देगा, बट अगर आजकल के मार्केट के जो ब्रेकआउट्स है वो भी आप मतलब सस्टेन करेंगे, दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम। तो टॉपिंग आउट स्ट्रक्चर ही लग रहा है, तो लुक्स लाइक बेसिकली इट्स नॉट लाइक अ वेरी प्रॉफिट बुकिंग टुडे। हो सकता है कि आने वाले कुछ टाइम में वी विल सी सम सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रेशर, selling pressure specifically on metal index. Let's see how it pans out, but follow up price action needs to be there on to confirm the view, whether it's purely a profit booking or whether it's like a topping out structure. So next question, please. Maybe we can go ahead. Tata Steel ke liye we are done. So you can put your questions in the chat box, or maybe you can put your
सर
unmute.
जीएसएफसी का क्या व्यूज है?
GSFC is just like GNFC भी जैसे काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है even in the subdued markets. So GSFC is also looking like so monthly पे देख रहे हैं तो basically see whatever view we are sharing here is purely with an intent of educational purpose. So this is not at all a buying or selling recommendation. So please take it with a pinch of salt. Okay, so my observations are basically what I understand or interpret the data from the chart reading. So अभी के लिए अगर देखेंगे ना तो ओवरऑल जो मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर है एक तो उसके बेसिस के ऊपर, और सेकेंडली अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे इट्स ये जो एक जोन है ना, ये देखिए यहाँ से पिछले 3 महीने से कोशिश कर रहा है, पुरानी भी रेजिस्टेंस है, यहाँ पे सप्लाई मिलता है इसको बार बार। इस 3 से 3.5 महीने 4 महीने से अप्रोक्सीमेटली इसी जोन में आके प्राइस रिजेक्शन फेस कर रहा है। सो even if at all it reaches to 140 zone, there is a likelihood or a high probability due to this overall market scenario, अगर ब्रॉडर मार्केट सपोर्टिव रहते हैं एंड इफ इट ऑल इट क्लोजेस राउंड अबाउट 150 के ऊपर, देन हायर probable targets can be unfolded in the future. But अभी के लिए यही है कि if at all you are holding it, just be very much thorough with your stop losses if at all you are a trader or investor है, तो at least some sort of partial booking can be done if at all you are into profits. Okay, we never know कि if at all this fall is there, कहाँ से reversal आएगा, nobody can predict it out. So next question, please.
जनता फार्मा।
Pharma overall is, a very weak sector. So ये अजंता फार्मा का आप अगर देखेंगे तो मंथली पे मैं आई एम शेयरिंग इट आउट, इतना बड़ा जो सेलिंग प्रेशर देखने को मिला है, मतलब द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द कैंडल, उसके बाद में जो है इट्स जस्ट अबाउट टू ब्रीच इट्स प्रीवियस मंथ लो आल्सो. So there is no point actually. This is a do or die kind of level for Ajanta Pharma.
मतलब नीड टू एग्जिट और नॉट, बिकॉज इसमें वॉल्यूम्स तो है नहीं, अब जैसे इतना बड़ा सेलिंग है बट कोई वॉल्यूम्स नहीं है मतलब।
But you have to be in the sector which is showing you the relative strength. The sector which is already subdued and which has not been doing exceedingly well, not even exceedingly well ही नहीं कर रहा, तो exceedingly well is a very strong adjective which I am using. So मतलब there is no point actually. Right now, if at all broader markets will fall now, these will be the first ones to get a hammer. Why so? Because the sector का नहीं है ना, sector कुछ नहीं perform कर रहा. So overall pharma में मतलब अगर सन फार्मा जो लीडर है, जो थोड़ा बहुत relative strength दिखा भी रहा था, even that has not been able to demonstrate that relative strength of late. So I am saying even though the volumes are not that convincing, but still the strength of the candle in itself, and it has already taken off nearly 5 to 6 high candles. अगर देखेंगे ना, एक कैंडल जब 5-6 महीनों की कैंडल्स को कवर कर रही है ना, इट मींस बुलिश एनगल्फिंग का और बेरिश एनगल्फिंग का मीनिंग ही यही है कि इट शोज यू द स्ट्रेंथ. सो इवन अगर उसने पिछले, और ये फ्लैग पैटर्न था, तो फ्लैग पैटर्न का भी ब्रेक डाउन हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. दिस वाज अ फ्लैग पैटर्न. If at all you say hit here, this was a flag pattern, और वो ब्रेकआउट होने के breakdown होने के बाद it has just reached that crucial do or die, area. So this needs to be witnessed, but individually you have to plan according to your own risk appetite and your rationale of your entry to exit. I can just share the levels and the observations which I have from charts. So we can have next few more questions for your stock specific queries. Please unmute yourself or maybe put your query in the chat box. I will just have a look from there and take it up.
Tata Motors.
See, all these businesses, specifically auto sector, I have also shared my view yesterday only. So these are European based, मतलब इनका जो major revenue है, that is from Europe. So there is no point actually. See, if at all your time horizon is 3 to 5 years, then it makes sense also to nibble it gradually, slowly and all. But during these uncertain time periods, you never know till what extent they can fall. So here also the view is similar thing. 400 जब तक hold कर रहा है तब तक still it can be considered to be, holding the position. As soon as your 400 gets breached on a weekly closing basis, the price structure here also becomes relatively weak. So we can have next question, please. Anybody?
Blue Star.
Blue Star is still relatively strong. It has not fallen to that extent even in this carnage. But the only thing is it has also faced the resistance across the same supply zone. So follow price action needs to be seen. If at all it's also, starts falling on a decent volumes, it might become weak, but relatively it is very much, strong as compared to the overall and stocks. Relative strength is good.
In such bearish markets, still we should see our weekly charts, or now switch to the daily charts, because now the price is maybe moving too aggressively up or down.
See, my view will be like you have to be first ensuring that your higher time frame chart structure or price structure should not getting deteriorate. So I will switch on to monthly first right now rather than to be daily. Why so? Because if at all your broader view is intact, then you can follow it up on whether that validation you can do it on a daily chart. But if at all your overall structure on a higher time frame is getting deteriorated, automatically your daily will be screaming out that okay, it has gone totally lost. So that's why I've started off with monthly right now, not on weekly. I've started off with monthly. Earlier I used to be starting off with weekly.
We can still try to hold on to those whose monthly structure at least is intact, or maybe not deteriorating.
This is a personal call, but what I will say is overall,
Just a personal.
one needs to be, seeing their time horizon of holding also. At the same time, what kind of business they are holding. So there might be certain businesses which are fundamentally very strong, but just like your Asian Paints, it's just because of the crude impact, it is getting, beaten down like the company is going to shut tomorrow. So
maybe we can see Asian Paints next.
What I'm overall, this was just for a demonstration purpose. So there are many businesses which might go that way due to the any reasons, but charts will tell upfront and reasons will follow later. But that again needs to be, patiently thought about at what levels, because अगर वो गिर रहा है 2800 पे, everybody was saying कि अब वहां पे bottom बनेगा. अभी 2500 to 2700 के जोन एक अच्छा सपोर्ट जोन है. अगर वो 2500 भी ब्रीच करता है, then you should have at least cash ना कि 2000 पे in case अगर आता है, तो you should not have that kind of thing कि I don't have cash. Till what extent it will fall, from where reversal will be getting confirmed, I cannot say, or nobody else can say upfront. So this is the thing. So
KPR.
KPR is one of the strongest, charts.
And other textile stocks like CRM.
See, CRM was on the verge of a multi-year breakout kind of stuff. But see, if at all, see that this is like, see the strength of the chart. So it's like, one way. But I always have been very much vocal about this on social platforms, that whatever goes one way, now you have to be very much cautious in terms of entering at any given point in time. You should definitely wait for pullbacks to make your entry in these kind of one-sided run-up stocks. So fundamentally, I track it. So fundamentally, there is wonderful corporate governance, and the vision of the management is exceedingly appreciable. They have got a decent vision. They are working on whatever they have planned. So fundamentally, I can vouch for the business in terms of that they have maintained the kind of reputation in terms of when the entire sector was in doldrums. Right now, due to the government push and Make in India thing, the sector overall is coming into limelight. बट जब कुछ भी नहीं था तब भी ऑल्सो, अगर आप इसकी बैलेंस शीट देखेंगे, अगर आप इसका जो प्राइस भी आकर आप देखेंगे, सो इट्स लाइक इट हैज बीन नॉट द वे बैंकरप्ट कंपनी नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं थी. तो अभी तो टेलविंड्स भी हैं, बट ये है कि कहाँ तक फॉल होगा, नोबडी कैन प्रिडिक्ट इट आउट, बट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली विद वेरी स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज इट कैन बी निबल्ड डाउन, बिकॉज ओवरऑल tailwinds are there for it's a kind of structural change which is happening. So one needs to be having patience in such sort of stories to play out. Management is good, business is good, and tailwinds are there, government push is there, but you cannot say that you can buy it every this thing. Very minimal quantities to whatever your risk appetite is, and based on, you need to exhibit patience also, because these are the structural changes. They are not going to pan out in months or 2 weeks or 3 to 4 months. You have to be patient enough. You have to be, gradually nibbling these kind of businesses for a longer term duration.
Sir, CRM.
CRM. See, relative strength wise, matlab KPR Mill is the sector leader. So what I personally feel, even whether you are trader or an investor, always try to be with the sector leader. अभी यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे वही मैं बोला भी था पहले, I have shared it some time back. So on verge of multi-year breakout था, but अभी अगर 510 के ऊपर का क्लोज मंथली बेसिस पे मिल जाता है, then definitely it's a positive sign, and it's nearby to that only. So let's wait, but yeah, this guy KPR Mill is a sector leader. So always it
Yes,
is
sir.
beneficial to be with the sector leader. अगर नीचे भी जाता है जब tide turns also, so these will be the first ones to come back with a bang. Beaten down तो सब, अगर पूरे मार्केट ओवरऑल होगा तो ऐसा नहीं है कि KPR will not fall. That will also fall, but once the tide turns, this will be the first one to jump back swiftly. So maybe we can have a couple of more questions. Then we will wrap.
Before this war-like situation, earlier we were thinking that autos will lead now and metals will lead, but now the situation has dramatically changed. So, do we feel that now these will underperform and banking will still perform or not?
See, what I feel personally is, and I have the right to be proven wrong, I deserve the right. But only thing is, what I personally feel is, basically there are a lot of supply constraints due to the logistics things which are happening due to this global situation. So lot of things are not getting a proper logistic support to be, because things are getting globally exported and imported. But due to this, there are certain, logistics barriers, which are definitely going to create a supply constraint. So considering those into the picture, and raw material cost due to this logistic issues will be, definitely implicitly going up, and which will be impacting the, margins, and it will be creating a margin pressure in the coming few quarters. So one has to be very much thorough in, and due diligence has to be done based on the sectoral. So these might see some sort of raw material and cost pressure.
Sir, with the interest rates pausing to an extent, or 0.25%, Fed raising only that much, will it impact and help IT with barriers not being there?
IT normally has acted as a hedge in terms of global uncertainty in the past, for sure. So I have shared it maybe yesterday or 2 days back only, the view. See, it's just like looking like that IT should, start performing, and whatever, we have seen on a lower time frame today also. It's just like, it is early signs. We can't say with the conviction that, okay, definitely reversal is on cards. But it looks like that, okay, at least I have shared it in my weekly analysis video also last Sunday. Looks like first intact target should be, or maybe it should be testing the upward trend line. So what personally I feel is IT overall is the strongest in terms of when your global uncertainty is. So sector wise, it is also your rising dollar will definitely
Yeah.
give exports, it being an export oriented sector. It definitely is a candidate for, beneficiary candidate. So once we close above this, technically I am talking about, we need a closure about around about 35,500 to 36,000 on a weekly closing basis. So that will first confirm us that, okay, at least we might see, or we might gradually move towards the all-time highs. But this should be the one of the sectors which should be on our radar. Price action has to be thoroughly seen. Follow-up has to be there. It is not like that, okay, your relative strength stocks within the sector are showing some sort of relative strength. So if you see here again, it has shown some sort of weakness, doji candle on a daily basis. So we need to see sector will show only outperformance when its constituents are showing you the outperformance. Sector is comprising all these constituents. If the constituents are weak, then definitely your sector cannot outperform. अभी क्या हो रहा है कि निफ्टी में एवरीबॉडी इज सेइंग दैट निफ्टी में उतना आपको देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है हैवी वेट इंडेक्सेस में, बिकॉज इंडेक्स मैनेजमेंट में कुछ ना कुछ एक साइड पे चलता है, इंडेक्स इज गेटिंग मैनेज. बट द ब्रंट हैज बीन सीन ऑन स्मॉल कैप एंड मिड कैप, और इवन निफ्टी 50 में भी आप देखेंगे तो कुछ एक स्टॉक्स जो है दे आर एट 52 वीक क्लोज आफ्टर लॉन्ग स्पैन ऑफ टाइम. And most of them are from either auto space or from pharma space. Within the Nifty 50, I am talking about. Leave aside the other universe.
Sir, will it be possible for you to on your Telegram group to put today, tomorrow, anytime in the future, some list of what stocks to keep on radar for IT? A basket basket should be preferred, or one or two stocks should be preferred in IT?
So first and foremost is, I will say, if at all you are pretty much inclined towards IT, rather than doing a basket shopping, because obviously you will have a limited capital, right? I'm assuming it. Everybody has got a limited capital, so you
Yes,
can't dilute your expected returns in terms of doing a diversification. Personally, I feel with a limited capital. So when you want to do a basket approach, I will say go for a sectoral mutual fund, where you will have, say, if at all you are just starting with 10 or 10,000 rupees, you don't have to take that, headache that, okay, which stocks I should be doing and how many stocks. Say if at all you are doing a 10,000 bucks SIP, you will get a chunk of the top listed IT companies. But at the same time, if you go for 10,000 monthly SIP by yourself, you will have to think whether you want whichever combination. You either can get one or two stocks at max, and that too also within the diversification will dilute your expected return. So if you go for persistent and TCS, you are done for the 1 month. Or maybe assuming it, I'm saying. So capital is limited. Your expectations will be like, over the period of time, you should have a decent returns. But what if the index performs 20% and your dilution and diversification within the basket will not fetch you that kind of returns on a very small capital?
Yes, sir. Should prefer a large IT or should prefer mid IT?
That again needs to be seen how the price action and how the global uncertainty gets responded in terms of you know IT sector as a whole. अब DXY भी ऊपर जा रहा है, आज उसका भी ब्रेकआउट दिख रहा है. Dollar is getting strengthened out, so probably we need to be, at least these are the clues that IT should perform. But due to these uncertain times, your fresh maybe order flow or the fresh spend from US specifically as a emerged economy might not be to that extent. Deal size is maybe shrinking over the period of time. These are we mostly talking about fundamental or macroeconomics aspects. Normally we just consider or discuss charts here because this is only stock specific. It's based on
Yes,
technical
sir.
analysis. So I
Yeah.
think I made some sense, and hopefully you got some sort of insights.
Yes, sir.
So thanks. I think we are good to wrap this up for now. We will see
Sir,
if it
only
all.
one more.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Last 3-4 days, very strong momentum obviously seen in sugar, maybe
Mhm.
because of petrol going up.
Mhm.
For some reason I've missed it. I've been tracking it.
Mhm.
Should nibble into some sugar stocks, strong ones, Balrampur Chini, Dampur, Dwarikesh,
See,
and
these
others.
these all I have been sharing regularly in the past also. But see, right now, I will say you simply. See, if at all a fire has been there in the building, how does it matter whether you are at 15th floor or whether you are at a second floor? It might come to second floor also, right? You cannot say that I will still go on, doing some fresh construction at the second floor because I will not be getting disturbed out of this floor, fire which has just only been at the 15th floor. It will get extinguished and it will not reach me. You cannot be so certain about it, right?
Yes.
I hope I made my point. What I feel is
Yes.
this is not the time to do bottom fishing. This is not the time to do anything. Let reversal signs be there on the charts. अभी अगर गिरेगा तो सब गिरेगा और गिरेगा तो आपको नहीं पता कि कहाँ से रिवर्सल आएगा. आप ऊपर से लेना शुरू करोगे, then you will crave later on के मतलब why did I not wait for it. So you don't know. अगर अभी globally markets इतना uncertain है तो why to you know अभी ये सब चीज मिलेगा आपको, हो सकता है आपके प्राइस पे भी मिले which you wanted earlier. But you should not chase the prices. What I have been every time vocal about. Let the prices come to you, ना. Wait patiently. अभी आराम से देखिए, चार्ट्स देखिए. अगर आप लर्न कर रहे हैं तो लर्निंग कीजिए. There should not be right now in a hurry to do. अभी पैसा पड़ा तो I have to deploy.
Sir,
Let
stay on
markets.
sidelines or sell a little bit of profits or losses both.
That is a personal call. I can't comment on that. That again needs to be
Yes,
an
sir.
individual's
Thank you.
decision.
Thank you.
So
Yes, sir.
thanks
Thank you.
all. Thanks all. I hope we made some sort of discussion. So we will see in future if at all time permits. We will continue. Thanks.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.